Welcome to my channel. Are you craving something very quick but yet healthy? Now this juicy yummy looking chicken wraps will be your new go-to recipe. Stay tuned and let's cook. In this video, I will take you on step by step from scratch on how to make a very delicious chicken wraps. Now we will start with our sauce. We need a sauce to keep our wraps very moist and delicious. First, we will start with a simple step on how to make our sauce at home. I have some amount of Greek yogurt in a small bowl, and then I'll go in with small amount of mayo and small amount of Dijon mustard, and then I will season with small amount of salt for taste, and then go in with some black cracked pepper. I went in with black balsamico vinegar. You can go for any everyday vinegar would also do for some acidity. And then again, I went in with some chili oil, some drops of chili oil, which is optional. Generously incorporate everything and set aside for later use. Step 2 is our veggie. I went for 3 color bell pepper, each half of it, depending on the quantity you are making. This portion is for 3. Now I'll go ahead and slice just like that, and I'll also slice some amount of red onion. Step 3 is our chicken breast. You can go for any other chicken part like chicken quarter if that's what you prefer. I'll go ahead and clean then cut just as you see on the screen. But before we continue, I will use this time to say thank you so much for still watching. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Anniekrieger. A foodie, this is what I love to do. I share simple recipes, home and abroad, continental, intercontinental coming together. So I hope you like this video and I hope you check out for more recipes on my channel. If these are what you love to see, please stick around by subscribing to my channel. Also, do not forget to hit the notification bell just to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always tuning in. I truly appreciate. Our chicken breast is well cut. Now we want to season with some garlic powder, some veggie powder, season with small amount of salt, and then go in with some olive oil. Now you can go for any oil of your choice, but because I am making this meal for breakfast, now this is suitable for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, or meal prep. Okay, so you can make use of any oil of your choice. You want to introduce your peppers or your veggies first. Now season your veggies with some pinch of salt, depending on how you love, how much seasoning you love, you can take. So I went in with some veggie powder, also some pinch of veggie powder, just to enhance the taste of this veggie or not to make it boring. Okay, so stir everything together. I also went in with some spinach. So if you have some fresh spinach, you can go for that or just skip it. But the spinach is a game changer in this recipe. This part is up to you. You can choose to have it a little bit more softer than this. I love to have my veggies very crunchy. So as you can see, the spinach still look very much fresh. So I will just, this is just about a minute. It's just to bring all the spices together and to take off the raw taste. So stir everything and set your veggies aside. In the same pan, you will introduce some amount of olive oil. Now, I made this for breakfast, okay? So I love to go for olive oil for breakfast. Introduce your chicken cuts and just pan fry a little bit. Now, you want to cook your chicken breast well. Anything chicken, you want to cook it completely and also do not want to have it dry. So this is a trick you will use here. Go on a low heat, mostly when it comes to do with olive oil. Olive oil do not tolerate high heat, so you want to go on a low key. If you achieve this good looking brown chicken, you want to add in some amount of water. The water is going to generously cook your chicken and leave it very juicy and yummy. I bet you try that. You will end up having a very delicious chicken, not dry chicken breast, okay? So the moment the water dries off, that means you did not add too much water, just small amount of water on a low heat again, okay? So scoop out your chicken. It is time to assemble everything. Now, on those parts, I'm going to talk a little bit more. Okay, so get your wraps or reps, however you call it. I always say, which one is the right word? Please, I'm stand to be corrected in the comment section. I always say wraps. Okay, get your wraps. I'm going for corn wraps. You can go for whole grain or uh, any other wraps you can find at your hand. Go in with your spreading your sauce. The sauce is going to stick every other veggies. Okay, so and then go in with your chicken before adding the veggies. This way, the chickens will or your protein will not fall out while you fold it. And also, I went in then with the veggies we just prepared. I also went in with some arugula salad. I love the taste. The combination of the arugula salad with cheese is just wow for me. And I also went in with some parmesan. Sorry to say, some Emmentaler cheese, and you can go for any cheese of your choice. Okay, and then fold it in just as you were saying on the screen like this. It's not always easy if you're a beginner. It just takes some practice to make perfect. Okay, so fold it in, and I will repeat the same process. The sauce also is also helping to stick the edges of your wraps. Now when you are done with this, you just want to go ahead and drop on the pan. Again, I will repeat this as I said. But first, before I continue, let me ask, have you liked this video? If you have one, please go ahead and hit the like button. For me, it will go a long way for this video. Thank you so much for doing so. I hope I was able to put this video into a well-detailed one for anyone to follow. Now, it wraps is a very easy thing to prep at home. Anyone can make this. Even my daughter started this making wraps before I pumped in, because if she just don't want to have a meal or repeat any meal, this is what she will just prep make for herself. And I bet you guys this is the easiest recipe you can think of, an easy way to make your wraps. Now you can choose not to go for any protein. You can make your veggie wraps and still enjoy it. Another thing we will do here is to toast our wraps. Okay, just pump it in a pan again and gently do this all round. Okay, continue turning it until you have every part well toasted. You want to have these outside crunchy wraps and inside very juicy. Now you see what I have here, guys. This is the best wraps you will ever think of. Now you want to plate or just serve and enjoy. One thing you want to see about this wraps is the inside. Like the inside is wow. You see that melted cheese and the creamy sauce, the juicy chicken, the spinach, tender and crunchy. Everything you need for a wraps is in this recipe. Now, let me know in the comment section, would you be trying this recipe out? I would love to read from you. Please do not forget to hit the like button. It will go a long way for this video. Now, if you feel like this video is too long for you, check out my TikTok handle. On the description box, you'll find a link to my TikTok handle, okay? And also on my YouTube shorts, there are well detailed and short videos over there too. Thank you all so much for still watching to this time. I truly appreciate you. Don't forget to leave your opinion once again, hit the like button and share with your loved ones. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.